Welcome back. Now the next space in the listing area is for production partners. And as you can see, what Etsy designates a production partner as is someone that helps you with the product, yet is not part of your operation. We're going to click this link to determine what Etsy says are requirements for how you're going to state this individual. Now there are going to be two sections at this page that you're going to take note of. The first is going to be the Handmade policy. And this is where you're going to make specific disclosures about your production partner and what they're doing in order to help you to produce the item that you were listing on Etsy. And if you have questions about what a production partner really does, there's a specific section on this page that will explain it to you. Underneath that section is another link, and it is an ethical expectation from Etsy regarding people who work with production partners. And this is an indication of how you should be working with your production partners. In other words, that you're not exploiting that production partner in any way in order to get them to help you to produce your item. But that is basically a summary. You're going to want to make sure to read this entire section and understand it extremely well. Once you've read through these items, you're then going to want to go to your listing to determine if you need to write in a production partner. And to do that, you're going to click this link that says Add a new production partner. You're going to write in the nature of that production partner. You're going to want to write in what that production partner does with you and for you. Now there is another part of that production partner listing, and this is going to be something that will be private to you and Etsy. First, you're going to disclose why you're working with the partner. Etsy gives you some choices, and you want to disclose that reason with Etsy. You're then going to want to determine what your role in the design of the product process is. And this is another disclosure you're going to make with Etsy. Finally, you are going to want to disclose to Etsy what the partner's role is in the process. Once you've done that, you can look at a preview as to how the listing is going to look with your production partner's information in it. Once you've done that, what you're then going to do is click Save Partner. And we're now ready to move on to the next section. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.